23rd July. Good morning, you are listening Hipselios, your news anchor from Lava Fire Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. Now it's time to listen to today's breaking news. Complete lockdown in areas of Bhopal. Bhopal district authorities have announced a complete lockdown in light of ongoing coronavirus pandemic. The lockdown will come into effect at 8 p.m. on Tuesday, July 21st and go on till 6 a.m. on July 24th. Bhopal city in its entirety will not be in lockdown barring some localities in Old Bhopal. India's COVID-19 tally rises to 11,92,915, death toll mount to 28,732, over 6 lakh cases in July so far. India reported 37,724 new coronavirus cases on Wednesday, taking its tally to 11,92,915 as per the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The country has 4,11,133 active cases and 7,53,049 have been discharged. With 648 new fatalities, the COVID-19 death toll in the country rose 28,732. Meanwhile, India has recorded over 6 lakh cases in July. Notably, the country had 5.9 lakh cases till June 30. Karnataka Deputy CM sees sudden spike in coronavirus cases. Public demand led to Bengaluru lockdown. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister Ashwath Narayan has said there was an urgent need for the week-long lockdown in Bengaluru as there was a sudden spike in coronavirus cases, and both the public and opposition started pressurizing the government to bring back lockdown. Assam records highest single-day spike of 1,680 COVID-19 cases. Tally reaches 26,772. Assam has witnessed the highest single-day spike of fresh COVID-19 cases as the state registered 1,680 positive cases for the deadly coronavirus in the last 24 hours. With the new cases, the state tally has now surged to 26,772, said Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma. Assam flood situation is still grim. 24.58 lakh people hit, their toll rises to 88. The flood havoc continued in Assam on Wednesday, and the overall situation is still grim as over 24.58 lakh people from 25 districts have been affected due to the deluge. The floods claimed another life on Wednesday, taking the death toll in the state to 88. Following incessant rains in the last few days, the water level of Brahmaputra River and its tributaries are increasing again. I, Hipselios, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.